Hello, folks. Welcome to the Trader Lobby, and we are here to analyze our trade for the week of August 24 to August 29. As always, before we hop over to our charts, what we do is we look at the weekly calendar. The economic calendar is what we use to know what the week has in store for us. So, right in front of us is the weekly economic calendar that shows news activities from Sunday to Friday. From here, you can see that we do not have any news on Sunday, we do not have news on Monday, no news on Tuesday, and no news on Wednesday. We only have high impact news on Thursday, and we only have high impact news on Friday. So, does this mean we cannot place a trade from Sunday to Wednesday? The truth of the matter is that we usually do not trade on Monday. Mondays are days we allow the charts to rest. Mondays are days we allow the market to print. Why is this important? Because this Monday will help to determine how Tuesday will be. Monday will help to determine how Tuesday will be and the rest of the week will be. So if you want to improve in your trading journey, do not trade on Monday. Allow Monday to print. So here we see that there is no news on Monday. There is no news on Tuesday. What does that mean? We are not going to look at our charts? No. We allow Monday to print. Then we take a look at what Monday will do or what Monday has done already, and potentially what Tuesday has in store. So these are the days that we allow the economic calendar to guide us. So we are now going to head over to our trading chart to analyze and prepare our mind for the rest of the week. Come with me. trading dashboard with Funded Delight. We have taken this 25k account from drawdown. As you can see, we've had a numerous trades, and here are the trades we've taken so far. These are 5 winning trades that we've taken so far, and they have taken that account from drawdown to we are getting close to break even. We just have $418 left for us to make in order to take the account from drawdown to break even, and we are being transparent, showing the growth of the account. So we are only trading with one strategy, weekly profile. So sit with me and I'm going to show you more of the trades we've done in the future. We've taken this account from drawdown and we are heading straight to payout. Stick with me.